Welcome. If you're looking to stay informed and never miss important group updates on LinkedIn, enabling push notifications is the way to go. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on push notifications for group updates on LinkedIn, right from your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser and log in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Now, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts LinkedIn sends you, including those for groups. Scroll down or find the section labeled Groups. Click on it to open Group Notification Settings. Here, you'll see different categories such as Group Invitations, Group Updates, Group Recommendations, and Group Admin Updates. To receive updates about group activity, focus on Group Updates. Next, you'll notice a toggle switch next to Allow Group Notifications. Make sure this is set to On. This will enable push notifications for all your LinkedIn groups. If you want to fine-tune your notifications even further, you can click the arrow next to Group Updates. This lets you choose how often you're notified, whether you want to be alerted to all new posts, just highlights, or only your own activity within the group. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Then click Save to confirm your choices. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications for group updates on LinkedIn. With these settings, you'll be instantly notified whenever there's new activity in your groups, helping you stay connected and engaged with your professional communities. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other LinkedIn tips to make the most of your networking experience.